Hi, and welcome to Advanced Cell Biology. Today I'm gonna tell you that the membrane is essential for cells and that it is made up of a lipid bilayer. I will go into further detail about the different lipids that are involved in creating the membrane structure. Without membranes, there would be no cells, and then there would be no life. The membrane has one upper monolayer and one lower monolayer, and together they make up the lipid bilayer. The plasma membrane has three main functions for the cell. One, it works as a barrier that maintains the differences between the extracellular and the intracellular compartments. Two, it contains proteins that are important for transport, communication, and for the structure of the membrane. And three, it works as a source for second messengers. IP3 and diacylglycerol are two examples of second messengers. Now we are gonna take a closer look to the lipids. All the lipids are amphipathic, meaning they are both hydrophilic and hydrophobic. The head is hydrophilic and their tails are hydrophobic. Because of this structure, they form a lipid bilayer, which is energetically favorable. The hydrophilic head faces the water, and the tails face each other away from the water. The lipids can be divided into four groups. First, we have the phospholipids, which have a phosphate group that links the head and the tails together. The phospholipids are the most abundant lipid in the membrane. They have a glycerol backbone, and here are some examples of phospholipids. Here you can see the chemical structure of the phospholipids, and the R group is what makes the phospholipids different from each other. Second, we have the glycolipids, and they have a sugar as their hydrophilic head. 5% of the membrane consists of glycolipids, and they are only present in the external monolayer of the membrane. Here you can see the chemical structure of glycolipids, and in this example there's a galactose as the sugar, third we have the ceramides and the sphingolipids, which I won't go into further detail with. And then there's the cholesterol, which makes up 15 to 25% of the membrane. The hydrophilic head of the cholesterol is an hydroxy group, and the cholesterol is a precursor for steroid hormones, such as testosterone. The cholesterol has an impact on the stiffness of the membrane and of the fluidity of the membrane. As we can see here, the lipid bilayer is asymmetric, meaning the different lipids are placed random. Thank you for your time. In the next video, I will focus on the importance of the cell's ability to transport molecules across the membrane and how it is mediated by the membrane proteins. See you!